In this video, we're going to unpack the last formula in the logarithm section of our formula booklet, this change of base formula. Sometimes we are required to use the change of base formula for a logarithm whenever we're dealing with equations that have two different bases. So here is the formula itself that you would see in the formula booklet. You'll see on the left side we have a basic log whose original base is base b, but I could change the base to whatever I want it to be. So here we change the base to c. And that's your call, whatever you want to change it to. It's whatever to make this problem solving a little bit easier for you. And I'll show you an example where we change the base in just a second. And just so you can see where the values travel, our original number in this logarithm a, that becomes the original number in our new change of base formula. It's still there, it's just in the numerator this time. And your original base b, this value, becomes the new number in the logarithm, but this time in the denominator. So as long as things end up in the right spot, change of base can work out really nicely for you. So let's take a look at this example. It requires us to change the base in part A, and then in part B, we go back to our basic log rules from class today, just to make sure those are still reinforced. So in 1, they're telling us if log base A of 2 is equal to x, and log base A of 5 is equal to y, find in terms of x and y expressions for each of the following. So what I see when I look at this problem is that both of these expressions have base a in them that they gave us for x and for y. And now in a, when I look at that, they want us to simplify log base 2 of 5. So they changed the base on us a little bit when we did that. So what I want to do is rewrite this log base 2 of 5 to a new base whose base is a, because if I can rewrite it with a log base of a, I can rewrite it in terms of x and y. So I'm going to change this to say, all right, I want log base a, and I take this number 5 in the numerator over log base a, and my original base goes in the denominator. And the reason why I did that is because now I know log base a of 5, that's just y, and log base a of 2, that's just x. So I know that log base 2 of 5 is the same thing as y over x when I simplify that using change of base. In part B, they want us to rewrite log base a of 20. So a good key here is that the base given to us for the log is a. So since it is a, I'm probably going to have to use my log rules here instead to simplify this logarithm. So instead here I'm going to use log rules. We had a problem very similar to this in class today. We want to rewrite log base a of 20 to numbers that are a product of the numbers that we're working with here. So I see that it's log base a of 2, log base a of 5. So I want to rewrite 20 using 2's and 5's combined with products. So 20 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 5. And now we can split this up using our log rules. This is log base a of 2 plus log base a of 2 plus log base a of 5. Simplify a little bit here. Log base a of 2 is the same thing as x plus y, or 2x plus y. Okay, that's going to do it for change of base video. The rest of the homework involves skills from class today, so you have to rewrite your logarithm expressions. Others require you to use the change of base. I will say in number 4, when you get to the back side, this does require a lot of algebra. And if you're a little confused, make sure you take a look at the key before you go straight to the final answer. Good luck. If you'd like to pause the video and try the next section, I'll put the answers up in just a little bit. You can hit replay. If not, continue working on your homework and we'll see you in class tomorrow. Thank you. So here are the answers for question 2. If you pause the video and try it on your own, please make sure they match. And in part C, you did have to use change of base formula for that question, so make sure you plugged in correctly. You changed your base to 5, and it's log base 5 of x all over log base 5 of 25 evaluates to y over 2. Again, thanks for watching the video, and we will see you tomorrow.